Welcome to the Kiwanis Club of New Kingstown's Little B Spelling Competition 2026 Spell Off. Today we celebrate courage, confidence, and big brains in small bodies. Let's have a beautiful morning. Are you ready? Say ready.
Now each school held its own competition and chose one child for the spell off today. All right? Now the competition is intended for children aged 4 and 5. To be eligible, a speller must not have reached their 6th birthday on or before June 30th. So if we have any 6-year-olds, that won't work. Students are expected to have reached the speech and pronunciation standards for their age. For the spell off, all the words in the booklet will be used, and you all got booklets. And when these words have been exhausted, unseen words will be used. No picture prompts will be used in the spell off or the finals. Now, students have been arranged in alphabetical order, and the children will sit according to the school they attend. Now, following the spell off, an additional word list will be distributed to all 10 finalists. The last child to have spelled all his or her words correctly will be declared the winner. That's at the finals. But today we are choosing 10. The school that the overall champion attends will be the champion school. So today, first two rounds, you don't get eliminated. After that, you will be eliminated. And we are choosing 10 finalists today. I trust that you have all heard and understood these rules and that you will follow them.
So everyone have fun, and it's probably, I say, it's bittersweet that only 10 of you will be in the finals, but whatever it is, see you at the finals at PBCJ Studio.
Welcome again, especially to my lovely boys and girls. Hello? Hello? All right, that sounds better. Please come, Master Javari Foster, Amy Bailey Infant School. Tell me your name.
Javari Foster.
All right, now I have your full attention. Please spell the word bag. You pack your books in it and take it to school. Bag.
B-A-G. Bag.
Thank you. Master Joshua Wishart is coming. Bethany Early Childhood Development Center. Hello?
Hello.
Wonderful, wonderful. Please spell the word dog. It's an animal. Sometimes you have him at home as a pet.
Dog. D-O-G. Dog.
Thank you. Please come, Cairo Livermore. Branches of the Vine Nursery and Preschool. Please take the stage. Hello, Mr. Livermore.
Hello.
Please spell the word fan. When it gets hot, we turn it on to keep cool.
Fan. F-A-N. Fan.
Thank you. Zaidan McDonald, please make your way. Clarion Basic. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Please spell the word map. We use it in class to find out where we can find our parishes. Map.
Map. M-A-P.
Thank you. Please make your way. Dandre Henry, Elim Early Childhood Development Center. Good morning.
Morning.
Please spell the word fig. It's a plant or a tree. Fig.
Fig. F-I-G.
Thank you. Please make your way at Treyu Aziel Downer, Excelsior Primary and Infant School. Morning, Mr. Downer. Good morning.
Hi.
All right, a little stronger. Hello.
Hello.
All right, I feel happy now. Please spell the word wig. In fact, I could be wearing one like my own hair. Wig.
Wig. W-I-G. Wig.
Thank you. Vanessa Cousins, please make your way. Morning.
Good morning.
Please spell the word hat. You wear it on your head. Hat.
Hat. H-A-T. Hat.
Thank you. Please make your way, Kiara Clark. Kiara Clark, please make your way. Lalise Gray Early Childhood Institution. Good morning, you're Kiara Clark. Hello, I want to hear your voice.
Hi.
All right, I get a hi. I'll work with that. Please spell the word hen. We can get chickens from them, from the...
H-E-N.
Awesome, thank you. Please come J. Kalia Anderson, Kids' Choice Early Childhood Institution. Good morning.
Morning.
Awesome. Please spell the word jug. We use it to pour water or anything else. Jug.
Jug. J-U-G. Jug.
Thank you. Please come Damoya Dixon, Lannaman's Preparatory. Hello.
Hello.
Awesome. Please spell the word mop. We use it to tidy the floor. It's kind of sweeping.
Mop. M-O-P. Mop.
Thank you. Please come Liberty Academy at the Priory, Belicia Ricketts. Good morning.
Good morning.
Awesome. Please spell the word egg. Sometimes we crack it and make something for breakfast. Egg.
E-G-G. Egg.
Thank you. Please come Savannah White, Pentab Infant. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please spell the word dry. It's the opposite of something being wet. Dry.
Dry. D-R-Y. Dry.
Thank you. Please come Benjamin Wedderburn, Porter Center for Knowledge. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please spell the word pig. We
Pig.
get pork from it. Pig.
Pig. P-I-G. Pig.
Thank you. Please come Keanu Legister, Providence Methodist Early Childhood. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wonderful. Please spell the word rat. Sometimes we have to get a cat to
R-
catch it. Rat.
A-T. Rat.
Good job. Thank you. Please come Richmond Park, Nazarene Basic School, Recalia, Eileen Richards, please come. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please spell the word sun. We say it's a sunny day. Sun.
S-U-N. Sun.
Thank you. Please come Azara Fraser, St. Michael's Infant School. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wonderful. Please spell the word tar. We use it to pave the roads. Tar.
Tar. T. A. R.
Thank you.
Tar.
Please come, St. Paul's United Infant School, Ariana Samuel. Good morning. Closer? Yeah? Okay. Wonderful. Please spell the word bye. Wait. When you're leaving in the mornings, mom might say bye to you. Please spell bye.
Bye. B-Y-E. Bye.
Thank you. Please come, Master Drew Harris. Wonderful. Please spell the word hug. If I'm happy to see you, I might just give you a big hug. Please spell hug.
H-U-G. Hug.
Thank you. Please come, Kershane McDonald, Stratton Early Childhood Development Center. Good morning.
Morning.
Please spell the word van. We use it to transport things from one place to the other. Van.
Van. V-A-N. Van.
Thank you. Please come, Sunrays Educational Center, Syria Taylor. Good morning.
Morning.
Wonderful. Please spell the word belt. I'm wearing one around my waist now. Belt.
B-E-L-T.
Thank
Belt.
you. Please come, the Choice Academy, Kaylin Bell. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wonderful. Please spell the word bird. It's flying around sometimes. Bird.
B-I-R-D.
Thank you. Please come, Torrington Early Childhood Institute, Rajeka Bailey. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please spell the word task. Wait, task. Mommy gives you something to do, or she may give you several things to do. Your task.
Task. T-A-S-K. Task.
Thank you. Please come, Anelius Grant United Faith Nursery and Basic. Good morning.
Hey.
Awesome. Please spell the word with. If I say to you, come with me, please spell with. With. Give it a try. With. Like, come with me. Come with us.
Just my brain is confused.
Say it again.
Just my brain is confused.
Oh, all right. But you get another try. Don't worry. Just rest when you get to your seat, and you'll try again. All right?
Give me an easy word then.
Please come, Webster Memorial Basic School, Almaro Maxam. Good morning. Please spell the word chat. If I'm chatting with you, it means I'm speaking with you. Chat. Chat.
C-H-A-T. Chat.
Thank you. Please come, Xavier Murray. All right, I have it right. Glowell Prep. Awesome. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Please spell the word ring. Wait. You ring the doorbell. Ring.
R-I-N-G.
Thank you. Please come, Orlando Hyatt. Chevanese Basic. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please spell the word camp. Now, camp means that you're, going camping, you're in a tent maybe, you're outdoors. Camp.
Camp. C-A-M-P. Camp.
Please spell vest. You wear it like a shirt. Vest.
Vest. V-E-S-T. Vest.
The Little Bee Spelling Competition is the signature project of the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston. The project is aimed at improving the spelling and literacy skills of 4- and 5-year-old children in basic and preparatory schools. During the early days of the competition, more than one representative was allowed from each school. However, each school now selects one child for the competition. In the first year, there were 6 participating schools. This year, we have 28 participating schools. As a project lead for past years, this is one of my favorite projects. Seeing the parents, especially the fathers, supporting their children with such passion is a joy. Watching the teachers celebrating is a joy. This project has evolved and we are happy with our new partnerships. Of note, in 2021, due to the coronavirus pandemic, Nadia Roxborough and myself, along with Basil Amusement, developed the Little Bee Spelling app with the support of Western Union. Special thanks to Linda Pennycook and 57 Octaves for their narration support. The app is free to download from your app store and can be used without Wi-Fi. As the Lieutenant Governor for Division 23 East, the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston is my home club, which I am a member of, and I'm super happy to see the additional features this year. The Young Children Priority 1 program will always be very close to my heart, and I will continue to be a great supporter of this awesome project, empowering our young ones to be great leaders. So, to the 2026 Little Bee finalists, listen, ask for a repeat of the word, and do your best. You are all winners.
Hi guys, if you have a little one, a great way to spend time with them, bond with them, and blow their minds, grow their minds at the same time is the KCNK Little Bee Spelling app. Download it from any of your app stores. Practice with them. They learn words. They have fun. You have fun helping them to learn words. Go and download the app now.
Good day. I'm Steve Billings, CEO of Sun City 104.9 FM, and we are so excited to be sponsoring the Little Bee Spelling Competition. Over the past 4 weeks, finalists had the opportunity to be a part of our Read and Win show. Read and Win is a show for kids, hosted by kids, aired every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And the Little Bees came and they had a blast. They shared with us their journey of being a part of the competition, and they even introduced us to the Little Bee Spelling app, which we're equally excited about. Congratulations to all the students that made this year's staging of the Little Bee Spelling Competition a huge success.
Awesome. So without further ado, we'll go on to round 2. All right, where did we start? We started with Amy Bailey Infant School. Please come. All right, you're gonna tell Auntie Cabell hello?
Hello.
All right, gonna have your full attention then. Please spell the word 3. Now listen, 1, 2, 3. Please spell 3.
Okay. T-H-R-E-E. 3.
Thank you. Please come, Joshua Wishart, Bethany Early Childhood Development Center. Please spell the word frog. He jumps around outside.
Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog.
Thank you. Please come, Cairo Livermore, Branches of the Vine, Nursery and Preschool. All right. Please spell boil. We put something on the stove with water to boil.
B-O-I-L. Boil.
Thank you. Please come, Clarion Basic, Zaiden McDonald. Awesome. Please spell the word ackee. It's one of the favorite dishes of Jamaica.
C-K-E-E.
Thank you. Dandre Henry of Elim Early Childhood. Please spell bread. We eat it with butter maybe for breakfast. Bread.
Bread. B-R.
Bread. You're doing well. B-R. Continue.
Bread. B-R-E-D. Bread.
All right, thank you. All right, please come Excelsior Primary and Infant School at Treo Aziel Downer. Awesome. Please spell brush. When you're painting, we use a brush to paint.
B.
Brush. You're doing well. Brush.
R. U. S. H. Brush.
Great. Great. Junior World Learning and Activities Center, Vanessa Cousins. Please spell the word chain. Sometimes you wear one around your neck. Chain.
Chain. C-H-A-I-N. Chain.
Thank you. Please come. J. Catherine Anderson, Kids' Choice Early Childhood. Yeah, J. Kalia. Yes, I've got it. All right. Please spell the word chair. I'm sitting on one now.
Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair.
All right, thank you. Please come Kiara Clark of Lalise Gray Early Childhood. Please spell dress. I'm wearing a dress today.
D-R-E-S-S. Dress.
Thank you. Lanamans Preparatory, Damoya Dixon, please come. Please spell the word fence. We use it to separate one yard from another. Fence.
Fence. F-E-N-C-E. Fence.
Thank you. Please come Liberty Academy at the Prairie, Belicia Ricketts.
Yeah.
Please spell mango. It's a fruit in season now. Mango.
M-A-N-G-O. Mango.
Thank you. Please come Savannah White at Pentab Infant. Please spell the word patty. You eat a patty maybe at lunchtime? Patty.
Patty. P-A-T-T-Y, party.
Thank you. Please come, Benjamin Wedderburn. Please spell the word boat. Fishermen use it to travel on the oceans. Boat.
Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat.
Thank you. Kiano Legister, Providence Methodist. Please come. Please spell pond. It's a body of water. Pond.
P
Doing well.
U
Pond. Pond. Continue.
O D
All right.
pond.
Thank you. Please come Richmond Park. Richmond Park, Nazarene Basic School, Ricalia Eileen Richards. Please come. Please spell the word neck. This area that I am showing.
N
Continue. Good job. N. Neck.
E K
Keep trying. Want to start again? N-E.
E
All right, you did your best. N-E-C-K. All right. Please come St. Michael's, Azara Fraser. All right. Please spell the word plate to eat your dinner from it. A plate.
P L A T plate.
All right, you did your best. Thank you. Good morning. Please spell the word queen. You know, you speak of the Queen of England. Queen.
Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen.
Thank you. All right. Please spell the word spoon. We use it to put something to our mouth. Spoon.
S-P-O-O-N. Spoon.
Good job. Thank you. Please come Stratton Early Childhood Development Center, Kershane McDonald. Please spell the word stove. We cook on top of it. A stove.
Stove. S-T-O-V-E. Stove.
Thank you. Please come Syria Taylor, Sunrays Educational Center. Please spell the word table like this. This is a table.
T-A-B-L-E.
Thank you. Please come the Choice Academy, K. Lynn Bell. Please spell the word watch. You could wear it on your hand. Watch.
W-A.
Continue. Watch. W-A.
W-A. C-H.
Good job. All right. Please come Torrington Early Childhood Institute, Rajeka Bailey. Please spell the word bank. It's a place where you can get money. Bank.
Bank. B-A-N-K, bang.
Thank you. United Faith Nursery and Basic School. Wonderful. Please spell the word bath. Mommy says you need to bathe, you take a bath.
Bath start with B.
Say it again.
Bath start with B, I guess.
Yeah, go ahead.
Does it start with a B-A?
Yes, go ahead. You're doing a wonderful job. Come, start.
Bath.
All right. B-A-T-H. So you did start. All right. You did made a good effort. Almara Maxim, Webster Memorial. Please spell the word barn. It's an outdoor area where we can keep animals. Barn.
Barn. B-A-R-N, barn.
Thank you. Please come Glowell Prep. Xavier Murray. Please spell book. We use it to study from it. Book.
B-O-O-K.
Thank you. Please come Orlando Hyatt, Chevanese Basic. Please spell the word bulb. You can get light from it. Bulb.
B-U-L-B, bulb.
Thank you. Samuel Campbell, Praise Tabernacle, you're next. Please spell the word cake. You know when you're having a party, you can have a cake.
Cake. C-A-K-E, cake.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lance from Edifocal. We're proud to partner with the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston to sponsor this year's Little B spelling competition because we believe great learners start early. Every word these young spellers learn is a building block for a lifetime of confidence and curiosity. That's the same belief that drives Edifocal Academy, Jamaica's #1 online learning platform, helping thousands of students excel at every grade level. To every finalist here today, you've already done something extraordinary, just getting to this stage. Trust your preparation, have fun out there, and know that your families, your schools, and all of us at Edifocal are cheering you on. All the best.
Being part of the Kiwanis Little B Spelling Competition 2026 means investing in more than words. It's invested in the future of our young generation. At OGM Integrated Communications, we believe that confidence, education, and opportunity shape tomorrow's leaders. This initiative gives young minds a platform to grow, express themselves, and unlock their full potential. I encourage every organization and individual to support this movement because when we pour into our youth today, we build a stronger, smarter, and more empowered tomorrow.
We are ready now to commence round 3. Amy Bailey Infant School, Javari Foster, please come. Please spell the word gust. Wait. Think of a gust of wind. Gust.
Gust. G-O-G-U-O-S-T.
Gust?
Gust?
Incorrect. So the proper way to spell gust is G-U-S-T. Good attempt.
Aww.
Please come. Bethany Early Childhood Development Center, Joshua Wishart, please come. Please spell mind. You think about it in your mind before it becomes an action. Mind.
Mind. M-I-N-D. Mind.
Thank you. Please come, branches of the vine, Cairo, Livermore. Please spell fish. They swim in the sea.
F-I-S-H. Fish.
Thank you. Please come, Clarion Basic, Zidon, McDonald. Please spell corn. It grows in the field. Corn.
C-O-R-N.
Thank you. Please come, Elim Early Childhood, Dondre Henry. Oh, no, you're not here. Oh, yes, you are here. Wonderful. Awesome. Please spell foot. Right here, you wear shoes on it. Foot.
Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot.
Thank you. Please come, Excelsior Primary and Infant School, Atreyu, Aziel Dono. Please spell fork. We use it to eat. Fork.
Fork. F-O-R-K. Fork.
Junior World Learning and Activities Center, Vanessa. Cousins, right. I found my place. Please spell the word goat. You know, when you think of that nice dish, curried goat, please spell goat.
Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat.
Thank you. Please come, Kids' Choice. Jai, Catrian Anderson. J. All right. Please spell hand. I'm holding up my hand now.
Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand.
Thank you. Please come, Kiara Clark, Lalise Gray Early Childhood. Please spell the word king. When you think of a king on a throne, king.
K-I-N-G. King.
Thank you. Please come, Damaya Dixon, Lanneman's Preparatory. Please spell the word oars. For example, mine, oars.
Oars. O-U-R-S. Oars.
Thank you. Wonderful. Please come, Belicia Ricketts, Liberty Academy. Please spell bowl. You put it on the table and you may have your porridge from it. Bowl.
Yes. B-O-W-L. Bowl.
Wonderful. Thank you. All right, please come, Pentab Infant, Savannah White. Please spell heat. You know, when something is getting hot, you're feeling warm. Heat.
Heat. H-E-A-T. Heat.
Thank you. Porter Center for Knowledge, Benjamin Wedderburn. Please spell kite. They fly it in the sky. Kite.
Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite.
Thank you. Providence Methodist Piano Legister, please come. Please spell the word lamp. You can get light from it. L-A, oh, geez, no, let's not do that. Please spell the word lamp.
L-A-M-P. Lamp.
Thank you. All right. Please come, Richmond Park Nazarene Basic School, Recalia Eileen Richards. Please spell the word lock. You use a key in it, lock.
L O K.
That won't work. It's. Do you want to try again? Time? All right, so it's L-O-C-K. All right.
L-O-C-K.
Auntie's gonna talk to you. All right. Come, baby. All right, please come St. Michael's Infant School, Azara Fraser. Please spell the word plug. Plug, you put it into, all right, you plug something into a socket, you know, to get power. Plug.
Like a TV software.
Yes, yes, just like what you do with the TV, plug.
P U G.
No, that won't work. Decent effort, but it's P-L-U-G, plug. Please come, Ariana Samuel, St. Paul's. All right. Please spell the word game. When you go outside and you engage in an activity, you call it a game.
Game. G-A-M-E. Game.
Thank you. All right. Please come, Drew Harris. Please spell the word home. Where you go after school, you head home.
H-O-M-E. Home.
Thank you. Okay, please come, Stratton Early Childhood Development Center, Kirshane McDonald. Please spell the word plane. It flies in the sky, or it moves in the sky.
What do you say?
Plane.
P-L-A-N-E. Plane.
Syria Taylor, Sunrays Educational Center. Please spell the word stamp. You use it to send a letter, postage. Please spell stamp.
S-A. S.
Stamp.
S-T-A-M-P.
Thank you. With Choice Academy, Kaylin Bell. Please spell the word page. I'm turning this page.
P-A-D-E.
Thank you.
P-A-D-E.
Please come, Torrington Early Childhood Institute, Rajika Bailey. Please spell the word four. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. F-O-U-R. 4.
Thank you. Please come, United Faith Nursery, Anelius Grant. Awesome. Please spell the word button. It's on your clothing and mine. Button. Button.
But where is but start with a B?
Say it into the microphone so we can hear you. I hear something there like a rumbling. Come. Button. Button. All right. Button. Button. All right. Who is next? Webster Memorial. Yes. Almaro Maxim. Please spell the word chicken. They come from an egg. Chicken. And we eat it for dinner. Chicken. Chicken. Give it a try. All right. Chicken. All right. Please come, Glowell Prep, Xavier Murray. Please spell crayon. We use it to color. Crayon.
Crayon.
Thank you. Please come, Chevanis Basic, Orlando Hyatt. Please spell doctor. If you're not feeling well, mommy may take you to the doctor.
Doctor.
Thank you. And Praise Tabernacle, you're next. Samuel Campbell. Please spell the word flower. It grows in a garden and it's beautiful. Flower.
Flower. Flower.
Thank you. Flower. All right. Oh. Give yourselves a round of applause. You've made it through the third round and we are doing very well.
My name is King Simpson. I attend Glow Preparatory School. I am the 2025 Little Bee Spelling Champion. I enjoyed my time in the competition, and I still love spelling. I encourage all the finalists to keep spelling. Have a great Little Bee Finals.
My name is Raquel Reed, mother of King Simpson, the 2025 Little Bee Spelling Champion. It was a fun experience for King and myself and his brother Kyron in getting ready for the competition. The competition itself helped him to boost his confidence and is expressing himself more. We downloaded the Little Bee app and we practiced from that. It was good. It was an on-the-go thing. We practiced in the car, at home, any chance we got, we practiced with King. And it was fun. We made it fun. And it shows in the results because he won. I'll encourage parents to download the app and use it with their children.
Hi, everybody. My name is Karen Simpson. I attend Glow Preparatory School. And I'm going to tell every one of you that King has done very well in the spelling competition. And I'm also going to tell you to download the Spelling Bee app so everyone can win the competition as well. But hold your horse because King has won the competition for like 3 or 2 times. And also, I'm in grade 3, so download the app right now to let your child practice the words. And yeah.
Please come, Bethany Early Childhood Development Center, Joshua Wishart. Please spell the word garden. It has many plants. It's beautiful. Garden.
Garden. Garden. Garden.
Thank you. Please come, Mr. Livermore, Cairo. Branches of the Vine Nursery and Preschool. Please spell the word pillow. You rest your head on it at night. Pillow.
P-I-L.
Pillow. Pillow. P-I.
P-I-L. P-I-L. O W.
All right, fair effort, but it's Pilllow.
Okay.
All right, please come, Mr. McDonald. Carry on basic. Please spell spider. Some people are afraid of them. Spider.
W.
Spider.
S P E I D R.
Oh boy, it's a little tough. Spider, spider. Right, this is Elim. Please come, all right? So please spell the word switch. You know, like a light switch that goes on and off. Switch.
Switch. S W E
Switch. SW, and then continue.
E switch. S W E C H. Switch.
No, that won't work. You need SWITCH. Switch. All right. Excelsior Primary and Infant School at Trio Dono. All right. Please spell the word coin. It's money. Coin.
Coin. COIN. Coin.
All right. Vanessa Cousins. Yes. Junior World. Please spell the word crown. A king or queen would place it on their head. Crown.
Crown. CROWN. Crown.
The name I keep having trouble with. Lady Anderson. Yes. Kids' Choice. Please spell the word feast. Just think of a lot of food spread at a table. It's called a feast.
Feast. FEAT. Feast.
No, that won't work. FEAST. Feast. All right. Kiara Clark. Yes. Awesome. Please spell hammer. We use it to pound something. Hammer.
HAMMER. Hammer.
Thank you. Come in Demoya Dixon. Yes, Lannemans. Excellent. All right. Please spell kitchen. That's where we do most of our cooking. Kitchen.
Kitchen. KITCHEN. Kitchen.
Thank you. Is that Lady Ricketts? This is Lady Ricketts? All right. Awesome. Please spell ladder. When we want to get up to something high, we use a ladder. Ladder.
LADDER. Ladder.
Thank you. Awesome. Pentab infant. All right. Please spell the word whale. It's this large mammal that lives in the ocean. Whale.
Whale. WHALE.
Thank you. Wedderburn, yes.
No.
Wedderburn, yes.
Hello.
All right. So listen carefully. Please spell the word foam. So when something bubbles up, you could say it's foaming. Foam.
Foam. F-O-A-M. Foam.
Thank you. All right. Keanu Legister. Providence. Please spell the word orange. It's a fruit that you eat. Orange.
O R
Continue. O-R. Orange.
G
Keep trying.
E R.
That won't work. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. All right, Ariana Samuel, please spell the word guest. You know, when you have a special visitor at your home, you call them a guest.
Guest. G-E-S-T.
That won't work. Want to try again? Can't? Oh, can't try again. Well, I have to help you. G-U-E-S-T is the correct spelling. All right? All right. Mr. Harris, please spell the word pencil.
Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil.
Thank you. You haven't called it before, right? Mr. Lady McDonald. Yes. Please spell the word ribbon. I think you have one in your hair now. Ribbon.
Ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon.
Awesome. Sunrise Educational Center, Lady Taylor. All right. Please spell the word when. When somebody asks you, when are you coming? When.
W-H-E-N.
Thank you. Who's this?
Academy?
Kian Bell.
Killing.
Kaylin Bell, right. Please spell the word blood. When something is bleeding, there's blood.
B-L.
Blood.
O D.
Say it again.
B-L-O-D.
The first time. You spelled it right the first time. B-L-O-O-D. So the judges have. Yeah, right. Go ahead.
You're right.
Please come Torrington Early Childhood. Rajika Bailey. All right.
Yeah?
Please spell the word basic. You know, like your basic school? Basic.
B A
Basic.
B A S K.
No, that won't work. Let me help you. B-A-S-I-C, basic. All right. Okay. Xavier Murray. All right. Please spell the word great. When mom says you've done great, you did great.
G A
Keep trying.
T. Wait. Wait.
All right, I'll help you. Great. Great. Okay, Chevanese basic. Please spell the word said. You know, like someone said something to you. Said.
SAID. Said.
Thank you. And Praise Tabernacle.
Yes.
Samuel Campbell. Please spell the word other. Like I said, the other day I met someone. Other.
Other.
Try. Say something into the mic. Other. All right, I'll help you. OTHER. Other. All right, and another round. Thank you for your steadfast work here, our spellers. Doing well. All right. Ready again for the new round. We are calling Joshua Wishart of Bethany Early Childhood Development Center. Please come. Please spell the word kind. If I say thank you for your kind words, kind.
Kind. KIND. Kind.
Thank you. All right. Excelsior Primary and Infant, Atreyu, Aziel Donor. Please spell the word funny. I'm making you laugh. I've said something funny.
F.
Funny.
FUNNY. Funny.
Good job. Junior World Learning and Activities Center, Vanessa Cousins. Please spell the word jump.
Jump. JUMP. Jump.
Thank you. Lalise Gray, Early Childhood, Kiara Clark. Yes, perfect. All right. Please spell the word first. You know, like how you have first, then second. Please spell first. First.
F. IRST.
Good job. Thank you. Lanneman's Preparatory, Demoya Dixon. Please spell wild. Something is out in the bushes. They're out in the wild.
Wild. WHILDE. Wild.
No. When they're out in the bushes, they're out in the wild. That's WILD. Wild. Liberty Academy. Yes, Belicia Ricketts.
Yeah.
Please spell the word thank. Like I'm saying thank you. Thank.
T-H-A-N-T bank.
All right, I can't help you much this time. It's T-H-A-N-K.
T-H-A-N-K tank.
All right. Okay, Savado. Please spell the word where. Wait. For example, if I say, where are you? That's the where I'm talking about. Where?
W-A-R-E.
No, that won't work. We need W-H-E-R-E. Where? Well, we have come to the end.
So parents, guardians, encouragers, teachers, Kiwanians, I want us to stand and look across the room and give them a resounding applause for their tenacity, the courage, the confidence. Your 10 little bees. Your 10 little bees. Give them another round of applause.
The Kiwanis Club of New Kingston's annual Little Bee spelling competition began in 2002 by the Young Children Priority 1 Committee, which focuses on the needs of children from 0 to 5 years old. It was under the chairmanship of Kiwanians Donna Samuels and Rosemary Henry, who championed the cause through sponsorship and expansion of the project. The first life trophy was the main prize for the champion school. Since the inception of the competition, Siobhan's Basic School has won it 3 times, RJR Citizens Advice Basic School 4 times, and Elim Early Childhood Center twice. Other winners have been Bethany Basic School, Jamaica House Basic School, and Lalise Gray Basic School. We are grateful that after 24 years we are still going strong. This could not have been possible without our valued sponsors over the years, which include the Jamaica Public Service Company Limited, Victoria Mutual Building Society, Grace Kennedy Remittance Services, Carlong Publishers Caribbean Limited, NCB E-Business, Answers Corporation, Facey Commodity Limited, and the Jamaica Gleaner. We celebrate and thank our current sponsors who have enhanced this year's competition and made it exciting and meaningful. This includes our title sponsor, Western Union, under the banner of Grace Kennedy Money Services, our long-standing sponsor, Answers for Children, PBCJamaica, our newest sponsor who will be providing televised broadcasts, OGM Integrated Communications Limited, who has increased our social media presence, Sun City 104.9 FM, who provide radio interviews for our contestants, our refreshment providers, Wright's Bakery, Fruit Blossoms, and Jamaica Broilers Limited, LG Wellesley and Associates, and Eddie Focal Limited, who will be providing each of the top 10 schools with a free website. I must mention and wholeheartedly thank the ladies of the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston for their time, contributions, and support. Special mention must be made of our project lead, Nadia Roxburgh, who has been working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure a very impactful production. Lieutenant Governor Audrey Brown for her continuous guidance and oversight, and our vibrant host, Camille Wellesley. We also want to thank our spell master, Cavell Johnston, judges Claudette Carter, Marcia Stewart, and Hortense Reynolds, and our timekeeper, Judith Anchai. The support and volunteer service of the members of the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston is vital to this competition. This Kiwanis Club of New Kingston's Little B competition is not just for fun. We put our time, hearts, and efforts into ensuring a successful and impactful competition. Kiwanis International is a global volunteer organization dedicated to improving the world by serving children, one child and one community at a time. Our core purpose is to serve the children of the world. We employ various methods such as empowering communities through local clubs to make lasting differences. Our focus areas include health and nutrition, education and literacy, and youth leadership development. Our Little B competition is aligned with the Kiwanis International mission through a focus on education and literacy. Spelling is very important for small children, and a spelling competition like Little B can benefit our children in many ways. 1. It can improve your child's vocabulary, which can help a child to express themselves clearly, more precisely, and eloquently, and be a faster, more skilled reader. 2. It can help children become a more precise writer. With an enhanced vocabulary, a skillful writer can select the exact words that convey their meaning and weave them into sentences that interest and excite their readers. 3. It can help your child become a better reader. The more words your child knows, the more words they'll be able to recognize in text, and the greater their comprehension of these texts. 4. It can improve your child's memory. By learning new words and memorizing them, whether through preparing for the Little B spelling competition or using the Little B app, your child is actively strengthening their memory. 5. It can improve your child's social skills. The broader vocabulary that comes with practicing for and participating in the Little B competition means that your child will be able to accurately express their thoughts and feelings to the people providing the confidence they need. It builds confidence through healthy challenges. Children can grow by exploring the world, taking risks, and seeing what happens. In this competition, they are learning that they can take on new challenges and discover what they are capable of. And finally, it can boost your child's chances of academic success by becoming a better reader and writer, developing a stronger memory, having better social skills, more confidence, and the willingness to take on a challenge. Your child has put themselves in the best possible position to do well at school. You can see that there is so much to be gained from entering the Kiwanis Club of New Kingston's Little B spelling competition. I want to thank the teachers, parents, and students from the 28 schools that entered the spell-off on April 25th, and send big congratulations to the students from the top 10 schools who made it to the finals. This includes Bethany Early Childhood Development Center, Excelsior Primary and Infant School, Junior World Learning and Activity Center, Porter Center of Knowledge, St. Teresa Preparatory, Sunrise Educational Center, The Choice Academy, and Chavans Basic School. We wish them all the very best, and may we have a competitive, exciting, and fun-filled finals. Thank you to all the people who have been a part of this journey, and we hope for your continued support as we are doing more than just spelling. We are enhancing the literacy of our small children. Thank you, everyone. Have a great final. If you haven't heard about it, there's a free Little B spelling app that you can download and use anywhere to practice spelling with your children. Download from your app store today.